Welcome to TradingNBI.com. This is Sean. This report is for the 6th, and well, what an easy day that was. We had the crossover here of Magenta MBI, so it was all clean sailing from a bullish standpoint, along with blue over the gray here, and we were just waiting for DOC orange here to dip below, and of course, green crossed over the other day, and once we got above the ABM yellow, it was boom, straight to the 100%. Clean and simple. I mean, really was an effortless little trek. From an NQ standpoint, of course, that's been the leader, and that's really been driving everything and breaking into new highs from that. Um, you know, some of the tech is unstoppable at this point, and what is that mostly related to? Well, from a treasury standpoint, it just gets worse. The yield just keeps diving. I mean, they're in territory where they're expecting zero rates again. So I know you can't help but laugh, and that's the play that's taking place right now, and is where we're at. From an oil standpoint, there was a brief bounce back. Euro not doing a whole lot of anything with that, because again, makes sense to be in U.S. equities at this particular stage, given that no end in sight. Gold, of course, bouncing on that. Interesting to the market up so high, and gold continuing to rally within that. But that corresponded to the move in oil as well. When we look at crypto, likewise, Bitcoin moving, same for ETH. All looking rosy because everything is absolutely peachy keen, hunky dory, despite what you see of the real economy. And this is kind of shows it from a 50K. That's just like, whoa. Positive extremes really didn't even start until midway into the run. So they didn't even begin until the 53.35 range. And continued on from there, and cyan under red always buys, so it really wasn't that relevant. But you had to think about Magenta leading the whole time. We had that brief breakdown, which accurate because you ended up with blue below the gray right here, and we ended up with a soft little tilt, but you never had MBI weight stay in the lead. And as soon as that crossed over, boom, that was the turnaround signal, and it just exploded from there. Nothing else to add to that because the chart's pretty clear on that. You look at it from an intraday standpoint. Started with a little fade in the morning just to get some call buyers a little scared, get some put excitement, and then it was boom, buy programs clicking in everywhere, and it just didn't stop. So that's the long and the short of it. Nothing else really to add. Is pretty straightforward with those readings, mostly cyan under red, and that's just straightforward stuff. So volatility, I promised it, and that's what you call volatility. It didn't matter the direction. That was significant volatility. Now, likely you can expect some retracement into that, but I think with that kind of exuberance and enthusiasm, where are you going to put your money? You certainly can't keep it in treasuries at all. There's just no room there. Be foolish. So that's where we're at. It's just that simple. I don't know what else to add to that. Pretty straightforward. I'll be out most of the day. Gonna go to the spa and chillax after that. That was fantastic. So you won't hear from me tomorrow, but hey, have a good one. Trade well. We'll talk in later.